Today we're going to change the air filter on a Honda GX120 engine. First of all, locate and remove the wing nut, which is fixed on top of the air filter cover. Then remove the air filter cover from the machine. Now remove the wing nut, which secures the air filter in place. You can now remove the air filter. Check the air filter for damage and make sure it's clean. You can also check the seal that sits under the filter for signs of wear. A good seal here is important to make sure that the air is coming through the filter and not from around the base of the filter. If your filter has perished, place your new air filter around the threaded bar. Screw the wing nut back on to secure the air filter in place. Seat the air filter cover back into place and tighten the wing nut on to secure. That's how you change the air filter on the Honda GX120. All the parts and tools needed for this task are listed in the description below. Please like, share and subscribe if you found this video helpful.